A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Serious question for you today. You look for God kingdom? You look for God kingdom? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, go do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 15 from verse 42 to verse 47. The same evening day, at the time for look about things for the Passover holiday. That means say, I did the day before the Sabbath. Joseph, we come from Arimathea. I did one of the Jew them leader where everybody did well respect. Him did a look for God kingdom. Him get brave and go to Pilate go ask him for give him Jesus body. Pilate did shock for hear same dead already. Him call the head for 100 soldier and ask him if Jesus dead already. After him hear where the head for 100 soldier say, Pilate give Joseph Jesus body. Joseph buy some linen cloth, take down Jesus body off of the cross, wrap him up in the cloth, and put him in a one tomb where they dig in a one rock. Then him roll one big stone in front of the tomb. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary, Joseph's mother, did see where Joseph did bury Jesus' body. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.